start.
Exciting. Keep your feet on the pedals, buddy.
You steer. Go and use your feet. Turn the pedals.
There you
Pedal?
go. That's how you do it. Push.
That's it.
Push. You gotta work those legs, buddy.
Hold on tight. Yeah?
Oh, look at his
There
legs
you go. Go on. Keep going.
Pedal, pedal.
Keep going.
That's it.
Push,
There you
push,
go.
push.
That's it.
Good job, kiddo.
You're alright. You won't fall over. You've got the wheels.
You were going pretty fast there, bud.
You're doing so awesome.
Go on. You steer. You turn the wheel that way so we can turn around and go back down.
Uh-oh.
Alright, got ya. Alright.
Pretty soon you'll be flying around on that thing.
Better get them cut now,
Yeah.
so I don't hurt any.
Right, you do want grandchildren, don't you?
Yes. Pedal, bud, pedal.
Push. There you go.
The other way, bud.
Your feet.
There you, the other way.
That one's stuck on him. There you go. There you go. See how it works? You want to practice this when it's warm?